begin, without wasting much time, you have to go to Google and type MySQL download. So here you go and click here MySQL download, and this is official website of MySQL, and here download is there. Scroll down and go to MySQL community GPL download. Click here, and now here there are so many repository, but you have to go to MySQL installer for Windows, and from there you have to go to this Windows 86 32-bit MSI installer and go here and download. And here you don't have to log in or sign up, just click no thanks, just start my download. Here just click this, and here the download is happening, and you have to go to down, click it, say yes, extract is happening, and click yes. So this is how you download MySQL to the computer. And there are, choose a setup type, the developer, default, server only, client only, full, and custom. Here you have to click custom and then click next, and from here you have to click MySQL server. Click the latest version of this, click this one and click here, sorry, you have to click this and click the arrow here, and scroll down and go to application, click here, and we are downloading Workbench, MySQL Workbench. The latest version you have to click and click the arrow button and scroll down, and Workbench, and MySQL shell, click here and click this one and click this one and click arrow mark. And these are the three things you are going to click: server, workbench, and shell, and then click next. And these are the three things you would like to download, ready to download. Click execute button. Here all the three are downloads are getting downloaded. As soon as this all three shows 100% downloaded, the execute button will come. Till then it will not come. Then we have to click the next button. We have to go to next button, ready to install. Now we have to click execute button. So here again both are they show the progress, ready to install. Next button will come. When the next button comes, so I think I will be editing little bit. It's taking too long. I will edit this and make this short. So installation is happening. MySQL shell is give some command prompt suggestions, and from there we can also create a database. %, and after that when it comes 100%, I will click the next button and then take to the CMD's command prompt thing. Okay, it's complete, and the next button came. We have to click the next button, ready to configure. So it's we are ready to configure. Again, we have to click the button, next button. Everything, let everything be same. I don't want to change anything here. The port for MySQL is 3306, and everything looks good. We can click the next button. Authentication method, yes. Use strong password encryption for authentication. We will have a strong password for this. Okay, my SQL song root password. You have to remember the password, and I'm going to type a password. You always should have remember this password, because whenever you open MySQL, every now and then you should be typing this password. So please create a password which you is easy for you to remember. Okay, so it is not allowing me to have a weak password. So please have a strong password. You all know to have a strong password, whatever it is. So if you want to add a new user, you can click here, but I don't want any new user. This is enough for me. So let me click next. Okay, here my SQL start my standard system account. Okay, we can here click the next button, server file permission. Yes, grant full access to the user running Windows service if applicable, and administration group only other user. Okay, so yeah, this all this thing we need, and we are going to click execute button. Everything we need, we just have to click execute button. All the other things will be done automatically by the plan. So next we are going to, okay, so the all whatever has been configured automatically, you have to click the finish button, and configuration complete. It is telling us the status that the configuration is complete, and now you have to click next button. So the installation is complete. The installation procedure has been complete. Start my SQL button. Start my SQL workbench and my SQL shell after setup. Okay, finish. You have to click the finish button. So two things has already opened. No, only my, I guess my shell has opened. Oh yeah, it's taking slow. Okay, here you go, and now you have to click local instance MySQL. Here you have to click, and as I said, you have to type every now and then your password. You have to remember, just type your password and click OK. So your MySQL database will open. This is your MySQL database. Since the screen is small, I'm going to make it big. We don't need this. So now we have to create a database. Okay, here, what is this? See, create database, oh god, d d a t a b a is, oh okay, database. It is intelligence since is telling me. Okay, database, let us name it as demo, and then as usual run it. Okay, now I have just edited something, and okay, create database demo. I clicked it and clicked here. And now then I click to show databases. These are the databases which uh, we have right now. Now let us see type tables that we have. So these are the new one which we created is demo version. After creating, we have to go to administ schemas and refresh. After we have to refresh regularly to see. Now this is the new databases which we have, and this demo will be only visible when you click this refresh button. So now